Level 12. Level 12, find the equation and graph the table of values in the Cartesian plane. This isn't going through 0, 0. We have 0, 14, which is right there, and then we have 6, 19, which is there. We have 12, 24, and I don't see the 24, so I'm going to scroll down like that. 12 and 24 is right here. We have 18 and 29, 24, 34, 24, 34, 30, 39. There's 39 right there. 36, 44. 1, 2, 3, 4. 42, 49. If I bring it to where we start, notice it's not on the graph in the y direction, so I'm going to pick a larger y values to go up by. Right now we're going up by 1s. If we go up by a larger step, the graph is going to appear shorter like that. I'm going to click on my first point, my A point. When I zoom in, it's going to lock on the A point. I want this to go up by larger numbers. There's our graph. This is an appropriate scale. The equation name, this is a straight line. It's not going through the origin, so it's called partial variation. It has this nice formula. Y is equal to some constant times x plus our starting point b. This is our starting point b, where it crosses the y-axis. It's called the initial value. Now we know our equation is y is equal to some a times x, and our b value is 14 plus 14. I've got to solve for the a. I can plug in an x and a y value. Any x and a y will do. Let's try 6 and 19. 19, the y value is 19, the x value is 6. So we have a times 6 plus 14, or 6 times a. I'm going to write the 6 first. Subtract 14 from both sides, and that gives us 5 is equal to 6a. Get the a alone, divide both sides by 6. A is 5/6. Our equation is y is equal to 5 over 6 times x plus our b value, which is 14. Put that in. Y equals 5 over 6x plus 14. And then we press enter to see if we are right. Let's do another one. 0, 22, 0, 21, 22 is right. 0, 22, and then 225. We're going upstairs. We're going up by 1s. 225, 2 is here, and 25 is right there. 4 and then 28, 6 and 31, 8 and 34, 10 and 37, 12 and 40, 14 and 43 there. In terms of the y direction, we're about as good as we can get. Click on that point. Choose a smaller y, it goes off the screen. But you don't want it small like this, is what I'm saying. We want to fill it so that it's not doing that either. We want it just to fill as much of the screen as possible. That's how we find our scales. I'm going to make the x a little bit smaller. These x numbers are smaller. That fits. The equation name is partial variation. It's not going through the origin. The equation is y equals ax plus b, and the b we can read right here. Y is equal to ax plus our b value, and our b value is 22. Feed in an x and y, so 2 and 25 to solve for a. The y value is 25 is equal to a times the x value, which is 2. Put the 2 in front of the a, 2a plus 22. I want to get the a alone. I want to get rid of the 22. Minus 22 from both sides. That gives us 3 is equal to 2a. Divide both sides by 2. That gives us a is 3 over 2. If a is 3 over 2, then our equation becomes y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 22. Y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 20. And then we press enter to see if we are right. And that is it for level 12.